What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jim from POV Drives. Today we're gonna show you how to open the hood on a Jeep Wrangler. You're gonna approach the vehicle from the left side. Make sure you have no threat behind the vehicle or on the side of a vehicle, because you're gonna struggle with this latch, or may not struggle. So you have to play around. There you go. Then you find the latch under the hood. What happens is that once you find it, you pull it to the right side, open the hood, you look for a prop, and the prop is right here. You take the prop, set it, and there you go. 2024 Jeep Wrangler 4xe high altitude. 2.0 liter engine in addition to the battery.